If you're trying to choose between Airtable and Monday.com in 2026, you're definitely not alone. Both platforms have become incredibly popular among businesses looking to improve project management, collaboration, workflow automation, and overall productivity. They may seem similar because both help teams organize work, track projects, and collaborate more efficiently. However, once you start exploring their features, you'll quickly notice that they're designed with slightly different users in mind. So which one should you choose? Is Airtable's flexibility better than Monday.com's visual project management? Which platform offers better automation, integrations, pricing, ease of use, customer support, and overall value for money? In this video, we'll compare Airtable and Monday.com across every major category to help you decide which tool is the better investment for your team in 2026. And before we begin, do check out the links in the description to get your favorite tool with up to 40% discount. Let's start with what each platform is designed to do. Airtable is essentially a modern database platform that combines the familiarity of spreadsheets with the power of relational databases. It allows businesses to build highly customized workflows without writing code. Many companies use Airtable for project management, CRM systems, content calendars, inventory management, product development, event planning, and marketing operations. One of Airtable's biggest strengths is its flexibility. Instead of forcing businesses into predefined workflows, Airtable allows users to create their own structures using linked records, custom fields, formulas, interfaces, and automations. Monday.com, on the other hand, is primarily designed as a work operating system. Its main goal is helping teams plan, manage, and execute projects through highly visual boards, timelines, dashboards, and workflows. While it also offers customization, Monday.com focuses more on simplifying project management for teams of all sizes. Marketing agencies, software companies, construction firms, HR departments, sales teams, and operations managers frequently choose Monday.com because it is easy to understand even for non-technical users. Let's compare the user interface. When it comes to ease of use, Monday.com has a slight advantage. The colorful interface, drag and drop functionality, ready-made templates, and visual dashboards make it extremely beginner-friendly. Most users can start creating projects within minutes without much training. Airtable has a clean and modern interface as well, but because of its database-oriented design, there is a slightly steeper learning curve. Users unfamiliar with relational databases may initially find linked records, formulas, and multiple table relationships somewhat confusing. However, once mastered, Airtable becomes significantly more powerful for handling complex data. Now, let's discuss customization. This is where Airtable truly shines. Almost every aspect of Airtable can be customized. Users can build complete business applications without writing code by combining multiple tables, linked records, formulas, automations, interfaces, and custom views. Many organizations replace several different software tools with a single Airtable workspace. Monday.com is also highly customizable, offering different board views, custom columns, dashboards, automation recipes, and templates. However, its customization remains centered around project and workflow management rather than database design. If your organization manages complex data sets, Airtable usually offers greater flexibility. Project management is another major consideration. Monday.com was built specifically for project management. Teams can visualize work using Kanban boards, Gantt charts, calendars, timelines, workload views, and dashboards. Managers can assign tasks, track progress, monitor deadlines, and generate reports from one centralized platform. Airtable also supports project management, but approaches it differently. Projects are organized through database records rather than traditional task boards. While Kanban, calendar, gallery, timeline, and grid views are available, project managers often need additional configuration before everything works exactly as desired. For teams focused primarily on project execution, Monday.com generally provides a smoother experience. Automation has become increasingly important in modern workplaces. Both platforms offer impressive automation capabilities. Monday.com includes hundreds of pre-built automation recipes. Users can automatically assign tasks, notify team members, update statuses, create recurring tasks, send reminders, and integrate external applications without coding. Airtable also supports workflow automation through triggers and actions. Users can automatically update records, send emails, create linked records, synchronize data, and integrate with third-party applications. Airtable's automation becomes especially powerful when combined with its database functionality. If you're looking for straightforward automation, Monday.com has a slight advantage. If you're building sophisticated business processes, Airtable offers greater long-term flexibility. Next, let's talk about integrations. Both platforms integrate with hundreds of popular business applications, including Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Workspace, Outlook, Zoom, Jira, Salesforce, HubSpot, Zapier, Make, Dropbox, and many other productivity tools. Monday.com focuses heavily on workflow integrations for project management, while Airtable excels at connecting business data across multiple systems. For most businesses, either platform will satisfy integration requirements. Reporting and dashboards are equally important. Monday.com offers visually appealing dashboards with widgets that display project progress, timelines, workload distribution, budgets, productivity metrics, and overall team performance. Managers can quickly identify bottlenecks and monitor project health. Airtable also provides dashboards through its interface designer. These interfaces allow businesses to create customized reports, filtered views, charts, and management dashboards. While highly flexible, they often require more initial setup compared to Monday.com. When it comes to collaboration, both platforms perform extremely well. Team members can comment on records, mention colleagues, attach files, assign tasks, receive notifications, and collaborate in real time. Monday.com's interface feels more collaboration focused from the beginning, whereas Airtable emphasizes structured data management alongside collaboration. Now let's discuss artificial intelligence. In 2026, AI capabilities are becoming increasingly important. Monday.com has expanded its AI features to help users summarize updates, generate content, automate workflows, categorize tasks, and improve productivity. Airtable has also introduced AI-powered capabilities that assist with content generation, data classification, text summarization, information extraction, and workflow automation directly within database records. Both companies continue investing heavily in AI, making this category very competitive. Security and compliance are another major consideration. Both Airtable and Monday.com provide enterprise-grade security with user permissions, two-factor authentication, encryption, audit logs, and administrative controls. Larger organizations can also access advanced governance, compliance certifications, and enterprise security features depending on their subscription plans. Customer support is another important factor. Monday.com offers email support, live chat, a comprehensive knowledge base, webinars, onboarding resources, and training materials. Airtable also provides documentation, tutorials, community forums, email support, and enterprise-level assistance for larger customers. Both companies invest significantly in customer education. Now let's discuss pricing. Both platforms offer free plans suitable for small teams and personal projects. As organizations grow, paid plans unlock additional storage, automation limits, integrations, security controls, reporting capabilities, and administrative features. Monday.com's pricing generally scales based on the number of users and feature tiers, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. Airtable follows a similar subscription model, with higher plans providing more advanced database functionality and automation capacity. The best value depends largely on how your organization intends to use the platform. What about customer reviews? Monday.com has earned strong ratings on Trustpilot, with many users praising its its intuitive interface, visual project management, automation features, and ease of collaboration. Customers frequently mention that it helps improve productivity and project visibility across teams. Some reviewers note that advanced functionality and premium features can become expensive as organizations grow. Airtable also receives positive Trustpilot feedback, particularly for its incredible flexibility, powerful database capabilities, and ability to replace multiple business applications. Many users appreciate how customizable the platform is once they become familiar with it. Some reviewers mention that new users may require additional time to fully understand Airtable's database structure and advanced features. So, which platform should you choose? If your primary objective is project management with an intuitive interface, visual dashboards, excellent collaboration, and fast implementation, Monday.com is probably the better choice. It works exceptionally well for marketing teams, software development, operations, HR, construction, consulting, and most businesses managing ongoing projects. However, if your business manages complex data, custom workflows, relational databases, inventory systems, content operations, CRM records, or highly customized business processes, Airtable is likely the stronger long-term investment. Its flexibility allows organizations to build solutions tailored specifically to their needs rather than adapting to predefined workflows. Ultimately, neither platform is objectively better for every business. Monday.com excels in visual work management and team collaboration, while Airtable stands out as one of the most powerful no-code database platforms available today. If your team values simplicity and rapid deployment, Monday.com is an outstanding choice. If flexibility and database power are your top priorities, Airtable is difficult to beat. That wraps up our comparison of Airtable versus Monday.com in 2026. We hope this video helped you understand the strengths and weaknesses of both platforms so you can choose the one that best fits your business needs. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest software reviews and comparisons. And once again, do check out the links in the description to get your favorite tool with up to 40% discount. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.